Today, I'm going to be sharing with you frequency shifting and how you can shift to the reality you want effortlessly. This is something that I've come to realize in my own life, and it changes everything. This is Spirit Over Mind. At some point in my healing journey, I had this intuitive feeling that when I listened to certain music, I also picked up on the frequency of that music. It can be very positive, or it could be very destructive. It all just depends on the intention behind the music and the other people that are listening to it. So next time you listen to any kind of music, consider this. But what about spiritual music? Can that also carry intention and certain frequencies? Absolutely. In fact, spiritual music, like the music playing in the background right now, is meant to tap directly into our primal nature. It's meant to allow our spirit to individualize itself, either attaching more to the body or detaching, depending on what your intentions are. This is why many meditation experts and even monks practice Om. Om meditation combines our two greatest spiritual possessions, breath and sound, utilizing resonating frequencies produced by our own vocal cords. These are sacred sounds made by our body for us to use to shift ourselves into both positive and negative realities. The powerful part of sacred sounds is that when you're oming, you can pick up on the frequency of the other people that have and are currently oming as well, which are also normally doing it with this spiritual intent, adding strength to your own practice. I like to visualize on top of my head is an antenna, and when I go about my life with this healing intent, I tune into the channels of everyone else doing this as well. That is frequency shifting. By consciously practicing this and making it habitual, you can shift into a more positive reality, because things resonating with similar positive frequencies become available and even attracted to you. So today, that is what we are going to do. As always, find a comfortable spot, especially someplace quiet, where you can be alone with your thoughts and not feel self-conscious in any way. Find a place where you can easily exist fully. And let's begin this meditation. Let's begin with our breath. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. And release through your mouth for 6 seconds. Again, inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. And release through your mouth for 6 seconds. Again, inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. And release through your mouth for 6 seconds. Once more, inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. And release through your mouth for 6 seconds. Continue to breathe in a rhythm for the remainder of the session. I will continue to remind you as we go on, but it is perfectly okay to lose that focus as we shift towards other things. And over time, breathing like this can become second nature. Our breath is our best and quickest way to reground ourselves and tune into the present moment. Whenever your mind begins to wander, come back to your breath. Now, I want you to Om with me. It might feel a little odd at first, but don't overthink it. Just get lost in it. Each Om we will progress, making longer and longer. But ideally, it should start to sync up with your breath. So, on your next exhale, let an Om sound out. Let's begin with an inhale for 4 seconds. Let your stomach and lungs fill with air. Now, release that energy with an Om. Again, inhale for 4 seconds and exhale with an Om. Excellent. I'll let you do this on your own for a few minutes. And just remember to naturally and effortlessly breathe. Don't try to control too much, but try to push a little bit of a rhythm for your body and mind to follow. And while you do, feel the vibrations that your throat produces. Feel it in your core, your hands, your feet. Let the ringing fill your head as you visualize a signal out to the world. Tune into this positive and spiritual frequency. trailed off and your focus is elsewhere, bring it back to your breath. Remember to breathe in deep for 4 seconds. Charge your body with the universal energy. And as you exhale, release that energy with an Om. Again, inhale, fill your body with energy, and release everything no longer serving you. Continue to do this on your own. Now, I want you to visualize your perfect life, the life you desire most. Be as detailed as you can. Really try to see it all. And beyond this, I want you to imagine how it feels. What do you, in this desired life, feel like? What energy do you give off? This is key to true manifestation. It's not just visualization of the desired life, it's embodiment of it as well. Like I said in a previous episode, manifestation is not just wishing on a star for a dream life to come true. It's being that star. It's radiating that energy of that life so deeply that you begin to tune into that frequency. You begin to shift into that reality over time. You must do this consciously every single day, when you wake up and when you fall asleep, that it eventually becomes subconscious. And once it is subconscious, it becomes your reality. Continue breathing and tapping into that higher frequency. In and out. In and out. One more time. In and out. And as you continue on with your day, or perhaps with your sleep, remind yourself to tune into that higher self, that higher frequency, that higher reality until it becomes truth. Thank you for taking the time to practice meditation with me today. Again, we all benefit as more and more people heal and grow. If you liked this session and our podcast in general, let us know by leaving a rating and review. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe on YouTube. It's a small click for you, but for us, it means so much. And thanks again, and we will see you next session.